Have you ever felt like your paycheck just isn't enough? Maybe you want extra income for savings, travel, or just to have some financial security. The good news? You don't need special skills or a huge investment to start making money from home. There are plenty of simple and flexible ways to earn cash without leaving your house. Whether you're looking for something quick or want to build long-term income, I've got you covered. Today, we're counting down 10 real ways to make money from home, even if you think you have no skills. Stick around because number 1 is something most people ignore, but it can be surprisingly profitable. To make sure you don't miss any videos from this channel, don't forget to subscribe. 10. Flipping items for profit. Flipping is one of the easiest ways to make money without needing any experience. It's all about buying low and selling high. You probably have things around your house that you no longer use: old clothes, electronics, furniture, books, or even unused kitchen appliances. Instead of letting them collect dust, sell them online through eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Once you've sold a few things, you can reinvest your earnings into buying cheap items at thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sections, and resell them for a profit. Some people make thousands flipping sneakers, vintage clothing, and used electronics. Just check eBay's sold listings before you buy anything to see what's actually in demand. With time, you'll get better at spotting profitable items, and flipping can become a full-time business. 9. Selling digital products. If you want a way to make money passively, selling digital products is a smart option. Unlike physical goods, you don't have to worry about shipping or inventory. You create a product once and sell it over and over again. What can you sell? Printable planners, resume templates, business cards, stock photos, social media graphics, or even ebooks. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it easy to sell digital files. If you're thinking, I don't know how to design, don't worry. Free tools like Canva let you create templates, even if you have no experience. Check what's trending on Etsy, create a similar product with a unique touch, and start selling. The best part? Once your product is online, it keeps earning money without extra effort. 8. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, pet sitting and dog walking are great ways to make money from home. People are always looking for reliable pet sitters when they travel. Apps like Rover and Wag connect pet owners with sitters who can care for their pets. Even if these apps aren't available in your area, you can still find clients through social media or local community boards. Many pet owners prefer in-home pet sitting instead of boarding their pets in a kennel. You can offer services like overnight stays, regular walks, or check-ins while the owner is away. If you're responsible and love spending time with animals, this can be a steady source of income. Some pet sitters make over $1,000 a month just by caring for a few pets. 7. Social media management. Many businesses struggle with social media, but you can help. If you know how to post on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can offer social media management services. You don't need to be an expert. Just basic knowledge of Canva for designs and tools like Buffer or Hootsuite for scheduling posts is enough. Small businesses, influencers, and even real estate agents need help keeping their social media active. Start by offering your services on Fiverr or Upwork, or reach out to local businesses in your area. As you gain experience and show results, you can charge higher rates. 6. Print-on-demand business. If you want to sell physical products without handling inventory, a print-on-demand business is a great choice. Instead of storing stock, platforms like Printify, Teespring, and Redbubble print and ship products for you. You just create a design and upload it to products like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and phone cases. You don't need to be a designer. Simple text-based designs, quotes, or AI-generated artwork can sell well. The trick is to target a specific audience. Instead of generic designs, focus on niche markets, like pet lovers, fitness enthusiasts, or gamers. With the right marketing on Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok, you can build a steady income stream. 5. Freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money from home. If you have any skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, or even simple data entry, you can get paid for it. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect freelancers with businesses looking for help. Even if you think you have no skills, there are beginner-friendly gigs like proofreading, virtual assistants, social media posting, and research tasks. To get started, create a profile and offer your services at a competitive price. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates. Many freelancers start part-time, but end up making full-time incomes. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an easy way to make money by recommending products. You sign up for affiliate programs and share links to products. When someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Amazon, Shopify, and many tech brands have affiliate programs that you can join for free. You don't need a website, just use social media, a blog, or YouTube to promote products. High-ticket items like software subscriptions pay higher commissions, making them more profitable. Once your content is online, affiliate marketing can become a source of passive income, where old posts continue to bring in commissions. 3. Online tutoring and course creation. If you enjoy teaching, online tutoring is a great way to make money. Websites like VIPKid, Chegg, and Cambly connect tutors with students worldwide. You don't always need a degree. Some platforms only require fluency in English or knowledge of subjects like math or science. If live tutoring isn't for you, consider creating an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Unlike tutoring, where you teach one-on-one, a course allows you to make passive income as students enroll at any time. Whether it's coding, cooking, or budgeting, there's someone willing to pay for your knowledge. 2. Local handyman or task services. If you're good with basic repairs, assembling furniture, or yard work, offering handyman services can be a great way to earn money. Many people lack the time or skills to do minor household tasks and are willing to pay for help. You don't need professional training. Simple jobs like moving furniture, fixing leaks, painting, or installing shelves are always in demand. 1. Selling stock photos or videos. Selling stock photos and videos is an easy way to make passive income from home. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels pay creators for high-quality images and footage. You don't need a professional camera. Modern smartphones can capture great shots that are in demand. Businesses and content creators need stock photos for marketing, websites, and social media. Trending content, such as seasonal themes, office setups, cityscapes, food photography, and nature shots, sells well. Everyday lifestyle images, like people working remotely or using gadgets, are also popular. The best part? Once uploaded, your photos and videos can generate passive income for years as people purchase licenses to use them. The more content you upload, the higher your chances of earning. There you have it. 10 real ways to make money from home, even if you have no experience. The key is to start now. Pick one and take action today. Which side hustle interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.